You are a sight for sore eyes. It means I'm so very happy to see you. Remember when Anne met Mr. Matthew for the very first time at the station? So she said this to him. You're a sight for sore eyes, Mr. Cuthbert. I'm super excited to welcome you in today's video and welcome to Infomercial and Ed Forum. In this video, we are going to discover some English phrases from a Netflix original series, Anne with an E. You must have watched this series. If you haven't, no problem. I'm going to share a link in the video's description so you can also learn English from this magnificent English series. So let's discover some English phrases. Number one, hmm, she has got a real appetite for learning. It means she's very curious to learn everything. Marilla said this in PMSC meeting when she was sitting among women of Avonlea and she was talking about Anne. So she said, she has got a real appetite for learning. You can also tell your brother that you have got a real appetite for learning. Number three, Rachel. She said always, mark my words, I feel it in my bones. It means that, remember my words are to be believed. Like whenever you believe something very strongly, you say, I feel it in my bones. So you can say, mark my words, I feel it in my bones that this is going to happen, just like Rachel. Number four. Very sad. If you're very sad, you can also tell what Anne said. I'm in the depths of despair. It means I'm so very sad. I'm in the depths of despair. Number five. You are very level headed. Marilla said this to Anne when she faced a difficult situation, and she was very sensible in that. It means you are very sensible even in difficult situations. So you can say to anyone if you meet any brave person, so you can say, you are very level headed, I must say this. Number six, what brings you by? What brings you by means what caused you to come to my place. Whenever somebody comes to your home, so you can tell that person or you can ask to that, what brings you by, mister? So it means what made you come here or what business you have with me, why have you come to my home? So Mrs. Spencer said to Marilla, what brings you by, Miss Cuthbert? Number seven. Oh, I really like this because Miss Josephine Barry always said this. I will not hear a word of protest. It means no arguments, please. Remember when Cole denied to take compensation from Miss Barry, so she said, I will not hear a word of protest. That's a very nice sentence, by the way. And this is the last one, and my favorite, by the way. Whenever I would like to invite to anyone on the stage, I always say these three words for that person. I invite the always surprising, bright eyed, big brain Anne Shirley Cuthbert. Of course, you can change the name, but these three adjectives, they will really help you to praise anyone. Always surprising, bright eyed, and big brained. So this was all from Anne with an E English phrases. We'll be back in part two. We will be discussing some more English phrases. Till then, thank you. Like the video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Infomercial.